got this light going. I mean, it's not even night yet, but I just want to show you guys. I mean, it's pretty light, even though in the wind.
Low battery warning.
It's still giving me there you go. Even though in the low battery, I'm sorry. So even though in the wind, it still gives you that light deal. So it's pretty cool. I mean, my main thing on this one is I want this thing to follow me at night. I mean, you know, kind of make it just the point of it. So it's still bright, even though in the daytime. So imagine what this thing can do at night. So I'm just showing it to you guys. You guys can get this on Amazon for like, I think $21, man. You get it like the next day or 2 days shipping. Check it out. I'm just showing you what's up with this. So it's really windy right now, and it's still able to catch me on that. So yeah, it's still able to. And look at this landing gear. We're gonna go ahead and land.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Landing.
So you guys can see, even this when I was landing, still got a good clearance on it. Pretty cool.